26 on the bubble shit. First thing you do, man, you're gonna grab a grinder. Make sure you got a extension cord. You need enough extension cord. All right, man. So we got the green bubble Chevy. If y'all can notice, got these wheels in the back that we had on there. So right now, this little back piece right here where I'm pointing at, this is something that always kind of hard. You just got to know what you're doing to cut this. All right, so first thing I do, man, I just grab paint. That's actually some black. I just grab black paint and some silver paint, and I paint my calibers. And now you see it. Now, check this out. Take your time, and it's gonna look like this, man. Take your time, and it's gonna look like that. Now that perfect. You know what I'm saying, man? So I just take my time to do this. I got hired for the job, so I'm gonna make sure everything A1. I'm gonna do it like it was my car. You know what I'm saying? So came all the way around, came through the front. I got to showing out a little bit, trying to see how fast I can take these bolts off. It's all good, but y'all can see how dirty it kind of look right now. So that's how we do it, man. So I'm gonna jack it up a little bit. So if y'all doing this, man, make sure you kind of definitely know what you're doing. This actually my second time putting wheels on a bubble Chevy, but when you're used to it, you'll know kind of where to start, your ins and outs. Got my boy, man, Lil Walter. Shout out to Lil Walter, man. They're a king, man. I let him do that stuff. Now, he do the back part so it won't screw up to kind of prevent cutting the front part. Now, this area right here, that's the point that I always have trouble with. You don't want to cut too much. So I just let him cut it, man. He did the back, he flushed it. He did his thing, you know what I'm saying? Turned out good. I definitely didn't feel comfortable. So you see the piece that he turned it off? He did that. So I definitely didn't feel comfortable doing that. But we did got the wheels on. We actually cut that side. So if you look how neat it is, you can't even tell it's cut. Now if you come to this side, you can see the front is touching on the bumper. Well, on the tire, sorry. Right there where I'm pointing at, it's touching. All right, so right now, this is kind of how I look, but we're going to set it down. So now, what you do, guys, you're going to get in there and you're going to turn. The main things, when you turn, that's when all the problems, you hear all the problems. So make sure you always turn. You're going to have to hit some stuff back. You're going to have to trim a little piece, always. The front really be harder than the back, so, to be honest, y'all. So after that, man, I'm going to talk to the guys and go ahead and get the green light to go and test drive. So now we just walking around the car, you know what I'm saying? We got everything. We got the car running. We just want to look, give a little vision, you know what I'm saying? See how I look, man. Y'all comment below. Let me know how we did on this car. I think the gold do go hard with this green. So like I said, man, we just gonna get up in here, turn the wheel, make sure everything A1. We ain't got to worry about that, man. We're gonna knock out some stuff. We still hear a little noise. So we're gonna go ahead and test drive this bad boy, man. First try, man. No rub, no bend, no scrub. So we're gonna do that, man. We're gonna bust a block, man. You know what I'm saying? Take it around the block. And let me hit the slow motion with y'all. Let me go slow motion. God damn. Slow motion. Yes, sir. I had to get a slow motion, man, so y'all can see it. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can see that green and that gold hit. All right, let me go back down the hill. You know what I'm saying? Let me come up the hill, man. I'm just going to ride slow motion. Now, if y'all dealing with these cars, they real hard to do. Some people push their rear ends back to prevent cutting it. But to be honest, sometimes there's no way around without cutting when you go on 26 or 28s on a bubble Chevy. We still got the stick on the tires, brand new rims and tires. Do a slow motion, man. So y'all subscribe to Doing Lifestyle, man, if y'all want to see how we do this. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to go on parking, man. And like I said, I ain't have to do no more cutting, no more rubbing since we did it the first time. So now, man, we got a satisfied customer. Like I said, everything A1, man. We did it again, man. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah. It's doing 2 time.
Hey, Buddha.
You got power.
Yeah.
Start the time. I do everything.